Okay, so here you've got your kitchen. You want to put that aside, and you've got your water over here. And turn on the water a little bit, and there you go. You got a special control panel. You don't want to have all that water flooding. Just use very little bit. Just use what you need. Very, very little bit though. Okay. And here you've got your stove. All right. So let's move this out of the way. And you've got your 3 different ones. And what you do is you push it on light. There you go. Okay. You don't actually put it on light. You put it on high, and then it'll light up. Okay. Let's do the same thing over here. And you'll see it. There we go, that one. Let's do the same over here and put it on there. There you go. But we very seldom use this. Frankly, we never used it. Okay, now we use the microwave a lot. This is the microwave, and in order to use the microwave, you're going to need a lot of power. Same thing with the TV. Right now, the TV does not work. DVD, this is the Samsung TV. This does not work unless we turn on the generator, or if we plug into the power at the house or at the RV park. Same thing over here. Here's your Panasonic DVD player over there. So to turn on that generator, you're going to have to go back to your control panel. Let's turn off the water. We don't want the hot water. We don't want the water pump, but we want to turn on the generator. So here's how you do it. Over here, generator, start. But since we haven't started it in a couple days, it's always good to prime it first, get it ready. So hold this down until you see the numbers show up. There you go. Now you heard a little noise, you see the numbers, now it's ready to go. Hold this down until it starts and then let go. There you go. It turned over. In order for that generator to operate though, the gas tank has to be at least a quarter tank full. If it's under quarter tank, generator will not start. So it runs off of the gas, the engine gas. Get ready, you're gonna hear the sound in just a second. There it is. That shows that the microwave is ready to go. And same thing over here. Now the TV is ready to go. Okay, you see the light? So over here, you can turn on your Samsung red button, and that will fire up the button, and you'll see that it starts to flash a little bit. Got the Samsung thing going. Here you've got your source. So we're watching the TV, and let's turn on the volume, and there you go. Okay, you want to change it to DVD, you move it to source, and then you move it from TV to HDMI DVI. You move it down, click it down here. Oops, let's go back to source, and let's go to clicking it down. There you go. Now it's turned that on. Then you can turn this guy on, and let's see, that should fire that up. Here you go. Now it's reading the DVD, which I left in there. And I think we're gonna see my kids doing some type of music slideshow, I think. We'll see in a second. Okay, so you can hear the generator going on right now. Oh, it says press play to resume. So let's press play to resume. Ah, there we go. So we got a slideshow going on. And now let's go and turn on the microwave. Here we go. So you want to do the microwave. So let's go ahead. You put something in there. You put the item inside. And then you press microwave. Then you press 1 minute. And then you press start. There it goes. Okay. And we run it for however long. We don't want to run it right now, so we're going to turn it off. Stop. And then reset. And now you got the idea. I don't use the convection oven. I don't use the half-time oven. I just use the microwave. Keep it simple, really simple. Alrighty, so there you go. Let's see. Over here, you know, you got your, let's see, you want to have some privacy. Then you go over here and we have a little drape. Actually, I don't have it here now, but I'm gonna provide it. And you stick on to the Velcro and the drape goes around and then it seals it off and you are stealth. You are stealth and nobody knows you're in here. Okay, nighttime, you make sure to keep these things closed so that people don't invade your privacy and so that you don't make yourself so obvious. And that way, here we go, a little bit of jiggering there. There you go. Alrighty, that gives you a pretty good overview. And let's see what else. I'm gonna go back to the generator. Let's finish it. We're finished it. We only need to use it for a short period of time, just to use the microwave or just to turn on the TV for a short time. This is also what you need if you want to charge your devices. So you're using your computer. So in order to charge your devices, you're gonna have that generator running. Okay, let's see what else we have here. Okay, we're ready to turn it off now. So let's turn it off. Hold it down. Boom. Now it's off. Okay, these are your indicators to tell you whether you have enough power and juice. Here's your battery. So you got enough battery. That's why you have to use the generator, because you want to keep that battery level at least 3 bars. You don't want to go down too low. And let's see, here's your liquid propane gas. That's for turning on the heater, turning on the water heater and the air heater and the gas stove. So that's filled. Then you got your fresh water tank. I just filled that one up, 25 gallons. Black water tank and gray water tank. Time to empty those. Empty that one and that one. So, okay, this one and this one are the 2 important ones for your water heater and your water pump. Don't worry about the Arctic pack. We're not going to Alaska. This, you just generally leave this on living room because that's the living room lights over here. Okay, here's your kitchen light. You just leave that on. That's also for this over here. Driver's light outside. You want to turn on the light outside so that people can walk around outside. I don't mess with that very much. Okay, that's pretty much it. Okie doke. Hope you guys have a great time, and hope this little baby takes good care of you. Keep it clean, keep it real clean, and it'll keep you in good shape.